Who's tired? I am!
Ian, stay awake, buddy.
He's partying too hard.
Ian,
Work hard, party hard.
wake up.
Want to go back to Daddy? Huh?
Ian.
Oh,
Oh, that's so funny.
Aww.
Ian, wake up. Wake up, Ian.
So she don't even know how to hold his head up.
He's just passing out. Wake up. Hey, buddy.
Come on, Dizzy.
Another yawn? I've never seen him like this. He's so freaking tired. He's trying so hard to stay awake.
My little chubby chub.
He's all just...
Ow, shithead. Scratch the shit out of me. I'm not petting you.
Ian. Ian. Is he still passing? Yep.
Hey, wake up. She's doggy. Don't faze me, he said.
Hi, Ian. What you doing? You gonna go to sleep? He's got his eyes open. Nope, he sure doesn't. You know how hard it is to hold this camera straight? Okay, I gotta stop. That's good.